Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Bell. Let's take a look at an example of how we can change one basis into another via linear transformation. So this particular example is one from R2 to R2. We're taking one basis and we have another one. We want to create a linear transformation that will take A to C and B to D. All right, so let's do this in steps. First, let's send A to E1 and B to E2. And then we'll send E1 to C and E2 to D. Now, this last one's pretty simple. E1 going to C, that's like right here. So we have E1 goes to this, and E2 will go up to this. So we can make this matrix right here. That's the last thing we do. That's why we write it on the left side. Now, on the right side, we want the inverse of doing such. Like if we went back this way, E1 to A, that would be that, and E2 to B, that would be this. But we want the inverse of that idea. So we have to compute the inverse of this matrix, which we do right here. So we'll start with this and the identity, and we perform the same row operations to both sides. So what we do here is we can do an airdrop, multiplication by -1 on this row, plopping it down there, which would give us this. We do the same thing to this side right here, to the identity, and then we multiply this bottom row by a -1, and that's what we get here. So this turns out to be the inverse. You can double check by multiplying this and this. You do get the identity. So this is the inverse. That's what goes there. You do this multiplication, you end up getting this matrix. So this matrix should be the one that'll actually send A to C and B to D, and we can check it. So if we put in 1, 1 into this matrix, we get out this. If we put in 0, -1 into this matrix, we get this. And we were successful. Thanks for watching.